Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a full digital collection that I have cut using my Cricut, and also get into a little mini series probably that takes about 2 or 3 videos, because the first video is going to be showing you guys the collection, and then the other videos are going to be us making stuff with the collection. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I am talking about, because I do tend to show when I cut collections late at night and just show what the collection entails, whether it's the papers, the cut aparts, the elements. So what I decided to do was cut up a collection, and this one I fell in love with, and kind of show you guys what is in the collection, and then maybe start crafting with it. So do some little craft with me videos. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So what I want to do here is, just in case you don't follow me on Instagram, I want to show you guys the collection again. This collection is Crepe Paper Craft Market. It came out in 2015, but you can still find the digital on AC Digitals. I'll have the link down below so you guys can check it out if you want to cut this one for yourself. And I want to show you guys the sizes that I cut the ephemera pieces. Now, when I'm going to cut a digital collection, what I like to do is Google the collection that came out to see what the collection had, whether it's the standouts, what the ephemera pieces look like, so that I can kind of mimic that and have the original ephemera pack the same sizes, and then I do my own, whether it's larger images or smaller images. I like to do that. So I like to have the basics, and I try to recreate the standouts and stuff like that. So that's kind of like what we're gonna do with this series. I'm gonna kind of recreate the standouts for this collection and whatever other little embellishments it had. So stay tuned for that. But on today's video, let me show you guys what this collection has. We're gonna go with the paper first, and then I'll show you guys the ephemera pieces. So I usually do also, what I also do, you guys, is, for instance, I'll Google the paper that came with the collection, and you know that when they sell the 12 by 12, sometimes they're double, well, most of the time they're double-sided. So I will look to see which is the ones that go double-sided, and I'll make a set of double-sided paper so that I can kind of have the full feeling, like the full feeling of having the collection that I missed out on, you know? So that's just a little tip that you guys can do. You can Google the collection and kind of see what it looked like when it was out. And if, let's say, this paper went with this paper, I would make one sheet double-sided, and then I'd have the paper that came out, you know? And if it has, like, let's say, a specialty paper, like a vellum or what's the other one? An acetate paper, I will do one of those as well. So I try to recreate the collection and the vibe of having it as much as I can. I'll even go on YouTube and see people who have unboxed the collection so that I can really get the feel for it. So yeah, let's get back into the papers, because Lily, you talk too much. But here's the first sheet, and you guys, look how cute. You can definitely cut this apart. I love this. And these are not 12 by 12. This is like about, what, like a 9 by 9. So that's the first sheet. Then we have this one. I love how just light and airy this collection is. Lots of like very girly light colors. We have this one with the polka dots, with the yellow, the pink, the mint green. I love it. Of course, we have the wood paneling. We have this one with the squiggly lines. And we have this one. The letters. And there's this polka dot one, and it has like kind of like graph paper in the back. I love like the little effects of the tape, the staining. I just feel like it gives the paper so much, like just a little something extra. This is just some stripes. We got some stars. Almost like it's paper that's been sitting around for a while. And I know you guys always ask me what printer do I use, so I'll have the printer linked down below as well. I think the one that I have is discontinued, but they did come out with a different model. This one has the wood paneling, but I love that it has like this like splash of paint on the side, and then the little tape. And there's this one too, and you can see like I love that, like it's like almost like yellowing on the side, kind of like what paper does over time. Look at that. Floral pieces, you guys, you know, are my favorite, so of course I printed out 2 of this pattern. And then we have some here with the months. So we have these cards with the months kind of like abbreviated, and then we have like the little calendars. So these are cute, like layering purposes and stuff like that. And we have this one. The collection, as I was Googling it, I noticed that it has a lot of, what's the name of that? That fabric. For some reason, I can't remember that name right now, but this fabric right here is what I'm going to use also when I'm making the embellishments. Why can't I remember what that is? I can't remember. Let me know down below if you guys know the fabric that looks like this, because I, for some reason, cannot even remember it. This kind of has like a little honeycomb pattern. So we have those. This is another one that you can use as a cut apart. It has a bunch of little cards, perfect for layering. I like to like tuck these in the back, and it just gives something extra to the project. Then we have this one. We have a floral piece. We got, of course, like a lettering one, bunch of little notes. And then we have this one. And then last is this one. So you guys, I absolutely love the paper in this collection, and I cannot wait to mess around with it. And first thing we're making are embellishments, because I want to definitely create a bunch of embellishments for it. And then we will end the series with packaging up the goodies. So that's the paper that is in the collection. Let me show you guys. This is the ephemera that I've cut. I am not going to go through every single one, but I'll give you guys a quick look, because there's a lot of doubles also. So we got some scissors in there. I'll just go throwing them in there. We have this one, cute little floral piece. We have some tickets. And some more tickets. This cute little embroidery hoop. We have like a little squirrel. Another floral piece. There's this one. Some mini frames. I also cut out some big ones. See, some of these I cut out super small, just for like embellishments and stuff like that. You don't want it to be so big. We have some stamps. Cute little doily piece. Tons of little mini tags. Little frames. And these are like extra tiny, you guys. I intentionally made it like that. This is actually a standout in the collection, so I want to recreate this just using the proper textures. And then we have some more of those little, these are perfect for rosettes. Some numbers. Oops. This one says happy. And then hello sweet. This one, how cute is that? I made it a tiny ticket, and I actually have the bigger version right here. So I did do a bunch of different sizing. Look at that. Super cute. Little bunny rabbit. Sewing machine. Those cute little prize tags. We got some more tags here. These kind of tags. Like, We got some mason jars, a little camera. So much fun stuff, you guys. Like, we can make some layered tags with all these little pieces. Here's some more tags. This is another one I can recreate. Some of these like vintage cards. You have the word hello. And then we have hello here. We have some cute little paint rollers. There's a cute little paintbrush that I love. There's this one. And then we have the little mini tags that I cut them out in small, but then I also cut them out this big. So we got more tags, some more of these, some more frames, some more little cameras. And then this spells out the word love. More tags, scissors, floral pieces, more of the prize. Frames. Here's the L for the love, another scissor. More frames. Floral pieces. See that? Just in case. I like to do doubles because in case I ruin one, we have some labels. Some of these. Tickets. The L from the little radio. How cute is that? I got 2 of those. I got 2 of these as well. More little tickets like this. Like a little receipt. And I did a big one as well. See that? And I got the V. This little piece right here. A little can of paint. And I like 2 of these. Another radio. These cute little paintbrushes. This little cluster right here. I like to kind of like staple over that just to give it more texture. Here's a little pink paintbrush. Little bicycle. Another one of these. Another frame and the floral piece. Hello. Another little doily. We have tons, you guys. Another little mason jar. We got like this little piece. We got more of these little vintage cards. Another tag. A bigger paintbrush. More of these. More floral pieces. This little bingo card. And hello. Just because for different projects you might still need more of the to make everything be cohesive. So that's that. And then you guys, the bigger pieces that I cut out were this card that I showed you guys. And then there's these tags. And these tags. These tags. You also get some labels, but I didn't cut those out. Like little word stickers. I didn't do those. If I do end up cutting them out, I'll put them in another video. There's more of the frames that I did in a bigger version. If I wanted to decorate some frames, I did cut them out bigger. And then here, like the bigger cards. These are cute to add in a tag flip. So yeah, you guys, that is the collection by Cray Paper. It's Craft Market. I'll have a link down below. So stay tuned for my next video where we will start making something. I don't know what, but I don't know if I want to start on the tag flip, if I want to start a flip book, but I think maybe we'll probably start off with embellishments. So that's it for today's video. Let me know down below if you're excited for this little mini series that might take like 2 or 3 videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.